Hi, I'm Tiina Saaristo, and this is ForteCare Academy for those who want to know more about professional radio communications and solutions. Today I have Tero Pesonen here to share his insights on the practical benefits of ForteCare for ambulance services and paramedics. So Tero, what about ForteCare for paramedics and ambulance services?
Well, ForteCare is quite crucial actually in this area, especially in countries where for one, the paramedics and ambulance service is based on treating people at their homes and on their site instead of being just a transportation service, or in countries where there are long distances. So then the key issue is of course the patient, him or herself, and the safety and the prospect of the patient. And now the ability to be able to deliver information about the patient to the hospital and get information about the patient, for instance medical history, have a crucial impact on the decisions how to treat the patient in question. And for now, there has been issues with the data connection, for instance, the availability of the connection, but the other quite important aspect has been the security of the connection, so that the patient information is rather sensitive, so that the respect and the degree of security could be managed. And ForteCare uniquely brings this ability for the ambulance services and paramedics in general to be connected in a trusted, secure way at all times, so that they can base their operational procedures on this connection.
So the trusted connection that ForteCare brings, that's one of the key issues. So what would this bring in practice for paramedics and medical services?
In practice, you can start delivering an electrocardiogram to hospital. You can prepare the hospital of a patient coming in. In a number of countries, there is not actually a medical doctor in an ambulance crew. So then the doctor can consult the paramedics as well as give orders and guidance in written form, which is also legally quite important for the paramedics themselves in order to take on with the procedures. Further, all the logs are kept, and with this the risks of mistakes during the entire treatment process decreases drastically as the different manual steps are reduced.
So taking the patient's viewpoint, what would be the benefits that ForteCare would bring me if I were to need medical care?
Fundamentally, ForteCare enables better quality treatment for you, paying attention to your information sensitivity over the trusted, available, secure, and encrypted connection. I believe that we will be seeing quite more things in the practical way of doing telemedicine as this spreads out.
That sounds very good. Thank you, Tero.